All right, this is the 2017 Subaru Impreza. I'm going to show you where all the cup holders and hidden compartments are, where you can put your slushies and whatnots, okay? So, I'm in the driver's side part of the vehicle, right? I am going to look down to the left-hand side. I am looking down the left-hand side. You see this area right here? I can put some things down in here. I can also put a slushie, if I so choose to, right here. A slushie and some things, all right? I'm going to go over and look in the middle console. I can put some things like some change in there. All right, that is very cool if you ask me. All right, and then I am going to look right here. I can put two more slushies, like one right here, one right here. And look, a hidden compartment. Woo! I can put some things down in there, and there's also a USB and auxiliary. I'm gonna move over to the right-hand side. There's a glove compartment where I can put gloves, hide some gloves in there. And then there's another area over here where I can put a slushie and some other things. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.